Dear brothers and sisters, on the cover of one of the European Time magazine were the following words: God is dead, Marx is dead, and I am not so well myself. It is right, for without God, without belief in God, there is nothing left for us. Believing in God, many people have problems not believing in God, but believing in the God whom Jesus has revealed as the true one. They are like those people who worshipped Baal as their God, in preference to the true God of Elijah. And the true God had to send down fire to set ablaze the water-soaked offering upon the altar. We heard that in the first reading. The altar built for Baal was set ablaze by God. God may not repeat a similar miracle in order to convince modern non-believers. The reason is that God has already given us the greatest miracle possible to win all the people's loyalty to Him. And that miracle is Jesus Christ, His Son, God in flesh. So in all history, there is nothing like the Christmas event. If you stroll through cities around the world, you will see imposing monuments to outstanding men and women. But have you ever seen a statue of a famous person as an infant? You never see Napoleon portrayed in a stroller. It would be silly. But it is not silly to honor Christ as a baby, for He is the Lord of the universe made flesh.